If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. We're at CES and we have some really nice new technology now for the phones. And I have James here. He'll be explaining a little bit more about it in detail.
How's it going, guys? Here we're showcasing the next generation in touch technology. We're showcasing our touch sensor behind an OLED display compared to your latest Apple iPhone. And in raining conditions, you can see you're going to have issues at best operating your iPhone touch sensor. If you ever have it partially submerged, you're not going to get any tracking whatsoever. For us, in one sensor, we can do both 2D tracking and 3D recognition. We can do 3D recognition of individual contacts and multiple contacts, both in raining conditions and, you guessed it, fully submerged. So you're not going to see any mobile device on the market that can do this. You will see it early next year using our technology.
Is there certain phones it's going to come out to?
There are, but I can't name them now.
Okay.
But like I said, you can look forward to seeing them early 2020. We have the same sensor technology in our trackpads, and you'll see that in late 2019.
Give me a scenario where somebody would need to do this. I one time was doing Snapchat, and I was trying to do a Snapchat underwater while I was swimming.
Sure.
I realized that as soon as I got underwater, it would cut off.
Right.
So this will allow that. You can go down.
Yes. So that's a very niche application. You can imagine whenever you wash your hands, you're not going to be able to operate your phone. Whenever it's raining outside, you're not going to be able to operate your phone. So our touch sensor technology can handle these situations.
So you guys have it. Thank you, James.
Thank you, guys.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.